This AI cat training video was generated using AI. If you are a YouTube content creator or you are into AI generating, watch this video because I'm going to show you how I use AI to generate this cat AI Jimmy. This video is AI. I use AI to generate it. So the first thing that you are going to do is for you to get the picture of any AI that you want to use doing the gymming. It's very simple. After getting the picture, I will show you how I get my own picture.
How do I get my own picture? The first thing is for you to go to YouTube. You can go to TikTok to search for the image. As for me, I will use YouTube and search for AI gymming. AI cat gymming, yes. If you are going to use cat, you can put cat. If you are going to use any other one, you can use any other one. But for me, I will use cat for the sake of this tutorial. Then you get to see that we have so many gym from cat. You have so many gym from cat. Then you get to bring out the one that you will love. As for me, I will use this one. So what I will do is for me to screenshot it, then screenshot it and crop out the one that you are going to use. Me, I'm going to use this one. So you crop out like this. Just try and crop out what you want to do. Cropping out like this, then you save it. So the next thing that we are going to do is for us to go to ChatGTP, then ask ChatGTP to give me the right 7 powerful prompt to generate 7 powerful different gym style using Croc. You can choose your own to be 7, you can choose your own to be 8, you can choose your own to be 9, you can choose your own to be 10. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use 7. The reason why I want to use 7, I will tell you in this video. So we have number 1, hardcore bodybuilding. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what we are going to do is for you to copy this first one like this, copy it, then we head over to Croc. Yes, head over to Croc. So what we are going to do is for us to go to Imagine, then create image, animate photo, then get to add that photo that we crop out on YouTube. When you add it, you paste the prompt that we copy from ChatGTP and it will generate for us. Alright guys, this is what we have after generating. Okay, beautiful. This is what we have after generating. So we download this one and go to InShot. Download it and go to InShot. Then I'll show you what to do. Go to video, create new video, then get to add that one in. Then added that one in, we are going to crop out this first one so that it will start from here. Yes, our video will start from here. Then this is what we have from the beginning. Yes. Now look at what I'm going to show you. You know that this is our aim part. So what I will do here is for me to click on this full screen, then get to have a screenshot of this aim part. Having the screenshot of this aim part, then I will crop out this place as my end. I will crop out this place as my end, then get to save it. Then head over to ChatGTP again and copy the second one like this. Copy the second one and head over to Croc again and choose a new animate photo and bring in the one that we crop from here. Click it and paste the second prompt that ChatGTP gives to us, then generate it. Then let us see what we are going to have from here. This is the second one. This is the result of the second one. All right, the result of the second one. So what we are going to do is for us to download the second one, then head over to InShot again. Then we get to bring in that second one. Click in on that second one. Then we get to play our full videos. Look at what we have. This is the first one, and it will combine with the second one immediately, like that, and nobody will knows that the thing is joining. and we get to have this one as the end part of the second one. So we click on the full screen again, then take a screenshot of the second one, crop it the same method. We crop it back on the same method that we did, then we get to save it.
Continue like that. At the end, I'll just screenshot the end part, take it the photo, go to crop and generate the new one as a new photo. Like that, like that, like that. You can repeat this and have up to 2 minutes video.
That is what we have. Okay, continue like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Then we get to screenshot this other one again and also do the same thing. We crop out here. Yeah, you can do your own as many as, for the sake of this tutorial, I just choose to do 7 of them. 7 of them. You can do your own as many as. So I skip one because of this tutorial, so I want to go to the end part of it. Then go back to crop AI and click on animate photo again, then bring in the last photo, done, and paste in the one that we copy from ChatGPT and allow it to generate for us. So let us see what we will have as our final result, because this is number 7. Guys, this is what we have as the end part of it. Okay, this is what we have. Wow, beautiful. This is what we have as the end part of it. So for this tutorial, so you click on download and download this one, then head over to InShot again, head over to InShot. That's our last frame. Then we click in the one that we just download. Then let's watch everything from the beginning to the end. You can add some sound to it and color grade it, make it nice so that people will watch it and they will love it. So this is the end part of it. See, everything is joining like that. There is no point of a camera jumping to another place or get to like, this is nice, this is nice, this is wow, using AI with Grok.
Thank you very much for watching this tutorial to this end. I'm very much certain that little I can show you that you have been able to understand how I grade this AI cat training. So comment below if you have any difficulties or if you have any question to ask getting on this video. Comment it below. I'm always ready to answer. If you want to watch most of my AI generating video, check out the other videos below to watch others videos. See you when next we see in our next class. Bye bye.